Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you how to make a very popular Bavarian dish named Rahmschwammerl, which is a creamy mushroom dish. This German pan dish gets its flavorful taste from the mixture of fresh and dried wild mushrooms. But if you don't have dried mushrooms on hand, you can leave this part out of the recipe. Start with soaking the dried wild mushrooms according to the package instructions and then puree them finely. Then prepare all your ingredients. Slice the bacon, the onions and the cremini mushrooms and the chives finely. Melt the butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Then add the onions and the bacon and fry for a couple of minutes. Add the cremini mushrooms and fry for another couple of minutes. Sprinkle with flour, stir well and simmer on low heat. In the meantime, add the vegetable stock and the heavy whipping cream to the pureed mushrooms and mix well. Then add the mixture to the pan and stir in the sour cream. Simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes or until the mushrooms are soft. Season with salt and pepper to taste and add the chives. Serve with bread dumplings or a fresh homemade roll. Guten Appetit!